Well, there are many sayings that actually describe quite similar, not the same, but very similar things, and such as circular economy, recycling, waste is a food, landfill mining, and so on. We have a project, Promise, which is an innovation project and looks at recycling of phosphorus. And Kari Ylivainio from Natural Resources Institute in Finland, can you tell us how is your project improving phosphorus utilization from manures and sewage sludge? This is such a difficult word, isn't it? But I'm sure you will make all sense of it. Thank you.
Thank you. Phosphorus-rich byproducts such as manures and sewage sludges are a significant source of phosphorus. For example, in Finland, manure content contains more phosphorus than is currently used as a mineral fertilizers. As a limited natural resource, shortage of phosphorus will inevitably depress food production worldwide in the future. On the other hand, phosphorus leaching from agricultural fields in Western countries is a major cause of eutrophication of surface waters. And thus optimal use of phosphorus fertilizers should be based on actual plant needs. The main reason for the underutilization of phosphorus-rich materials in agriculture is the unknown content of harmful substances, like pathogens, antibiotics and heavy metals, and the possibility that they will enter into the food chain. Because of these concerns, utilization of sewage sludge in plant production varies greatly within EU. Utilization of manure in plant production is at a higher level, but also there is harmful substances that restricts their full potential as a fertilizer. Improving the utilization of phosphorus-rich side streams requires novel methods to produce a more acceptable fertilizer out of these products. A common method nowadays is anaerobic digestion, but whether this method has any effect on these harmful substances needs to be verified. In this Promise project, we are evaluating different methods for producing fertilizer products out of these side streams, and their potential to substitute mineral fertilizer in plant production, and whether they can substitute these finite virgin phosphorus minerals. Thank you.